I'm back, and today I'm gonna like unbreak the bolt horn 86 classic. Don't mind that. So I'm gonna just put it in the garage. Lift it up. I always start with a back for some reason. So I just feel like it. So I'm gonna do a standing up. I'm gonna lift it. So I wanna get that back. That's a good spot. I don't want to break my hand though. But I don't want it to be sore. So yay! There's no time up because I didn't really know how to do that. Oh, my game's laggy. Oh. As you can see, it takes a bit. Oh, my controller. Yes, my left controller is broken a bit. Because like one of the pieces fell off. Now it's quite hard to like sometimes like it makes like a breaking boom sound. Basically. How the hell did I just walk through the whole car? That's the most important part. That's the car, checking the engine, and then more complicated stuff since you can't really get to the engine without it. Oh, I've got so fruit. If 3R games, if you're watching this, please make this multiplayer. I really beg. It's quite a fun game. And make like the cars like the cars make like any like thing in the back. So, like let's say I've got 3 legs, so I just want to put 3 in, not just one flat. I mean, 2 flats and 1 big. So that's just a disappointment. I'll break it. Nope, not yet. Oh, it's to the front. Front tires is more. And if you want to learn how to steal cars like this, go into the video I have just posted. I think I wasn't that lazy. This is like the 4th time I post. So I've just done the video. So yeah, if you watch that, it will be about at least a short or something, at least a minute. Right. And yes, I'm on my 2nd profile because I finished the 1st one. Blah 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 blah. So that, yep, perfect. So I can now give me a second. Get to the other side. It's too like that. So that's quite easy to do. I think I'm gonna edit this video. And please, 3R games, please make this way realistic. So I think I've done it. You have, so that's basically it, what you need to do. And yeah, the car's kind of broken. Let me just kill these off. That's an SUV. I don't know, if someone knows how to do that. Remove all car parts. What? And if anyone knows how to like do that, because I'm gonna try to figure that out. Huh? I knew what that was as well. So if anyone knows how to do that, please please comment in comments if YouTube allow me. And yeah, so thank you for watching and please subscribe.